Hi, and thank you for stumbling on another one of my videos. I'm Ed Diaz, and in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and overview of Corsair's RM750X power supply. I'm putting this video together during the COVID-19 pandemic, so I know finding quality PSUs right now is kind of hard. I bought this unit brand new. It's a 2018 model, and I got it for about $134.99 from Micro Center. This unit is a 750 watt 80 plus gold certified fully modular PSU. Fully modular meaning you don't need to use all the cables provided. Corsair's website says that this unit features 100% Japanese capacitors. These are 105 degree Celsius capacitors, so it's capable of getting hot but still working smoothly. I'll leave a link below that does a better job explaining what modular and non-modular PSUs are. In the box we get a nice pouch to hold all the cables. The unit measures about 5.9 inches long, 6.3 inches wide, and about 3.4 inches in height. I'm not exactly sure how much it weighs, but it's probably what you might expect a PSU to weigh. If I had to give a wild guess, it'd be about just under the weight of a brick. Along with our 24 and 8-pin connections to power the motherboard, we have options for 4 PCIe connections, 9 SATA connections, and 7 peripheral connections. And as a bonus, we get a floppy connector for the boomers. Because this is a fully modular system, Corsair has included all black low-profile cables. Being my first PC build, I had no idea what sort of quality to expect. But from some research, I found out most power supply units that aren't fully modular will include the ugly mustard cables. So if you'd like your PC build to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, a fully modular PSU may be for you. Anyway, the included cables worked fine for me, but I'd recommend going with some extensions. It's not impossible to get your cables to reach your components, but it wasn't easy either. This is something I'm noting for a future upgrade for myself. I'm almost done with my PC build video, but I'll include the segment where I install the PSU so that you get an idea of what's going on. Here I'm just demonstrating where the 24-pin and 8-pin power connections go on an Asus X570-P motherboard. Please reference your motherboard's manual to figure out where your connections should go. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful in 2020.